This video is about how I got my first nursing job in Australia. After getting my nursing registration in Australia, I want to be very honest, I didn't get an RN job straight away. And if you are internationally qualified nurse with no Australian placements, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Ginny. I am a registered nurse in Australia. I completed my nursing in India, and after a long journey, I finally got my registration here. I thought registration was the hardest part, but finding the job was another challenge. After registration, I applied to hospitals, aged care facilities, I applied everywhere. I did have local Australian references, but one thing I didn't have was Australian placements. Because I completed my nursing in India, I had no hospital placements in Australia, no aged care placements here. It was confusing and emotionally exhausting. You do everything right, exams, registration, applications, but still you don't get a clear yes. I started thinking, what else can I do? That's when I decided to contact a nursing agency. I realized something important. If don't have Australian placements, I need Australian work exposure, and agency work could give me that. And agency became my bridge between registration and employment. But the agency didn't place me straight away into the RN shifts. They started me with EN body shifts first. At first I had mixed feelings. I was registered as an RN but working as an EN. But I choose to see it as learning, not like a downgrading. I worked as an EN for around 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, I learned Australian nursing standards, documentation and progress notes, aged care softwares, how the system really works day by day. This experience gave me confidence that no exam could give. After that, the agency started giving me RN buddy shifts. For about 1 week, I worked closely with senior RNs. I learned how to manage residents, how to handle incidents, how to delegate to ENs and carers, how to document as an RN. This phase helped me transition safely into the RN role. After my RN buddy shifts, I finally started working as an RN. At that point, things became smoother because I had already worked as an EN. The RN role felt like manageable, not overwhelming. This journey taught me one powerful lesson, that small things does not mean small thinking. I didn't fail because I didn't start as an RN immediately. I built myself step by step. If you are an internationally qualified nurse and you have registration, you have references, but you don't have Australian placements, please don't lose hope. Agency work can be stepping stone, not a dead end. Today, finally, I am working confidently as an RN, but my journey didn't start there. Trust the process. Your path might be different, but it is still valid. So thank you so much for watching my video. If this video helped or motivated you, please like and subscribe. I share real nursing experiences in Australia, especially for international nurses. Comment below if you are still waiting for your first job, or you are not alone, or you don't have any type of references or anything.